Hello friends, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram, link is given in the description. So the guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one but you get free. I will provide a coupon code and course link. That coupon course and course link is uploaded on our blog and the link of blog is given in the description. So the guys, let's get started. The first course is Python and Flask Framework Complete Course. Depth Introduction to Python Programming and Python Web Framework Flask. The rating of that course is 4.1 and already 1 lakh students enrolled for that course. Only one delay at this price, and this course includes 12 hours on demand video, one article, access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. The next course is QuickBooks Pro Business and Personal One QuickBooks File. Both business and personal financial bookkeeping and tax information in one QuickBooks for using class tracking. The rating of that course is 4.2 and already 11,000 students enrolled for that course. And in this course, you will learn how to track both business and personal financial bookkeeping and tax information in one QuickBooks file using class tracking. Only 2 days left at this price, and the coupon code and course link is given in the description. The next course is QuickBooks Pro Desktop 2021, 2019 and 18 comprehensive QuickBooks course that starts at the basics and moves forward in a well-planned and understandable way. The rating of that course is 4.3 and already 31,670 students enrolled for that course. And this only 2 days left at this price, and this course is completely free. The coupon code is given into description, and this course includes 170.5 hours on demand video, 70 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then you get certificate of that course, and in that course you will learn how to enter data related for a full accounting cycle into QuickBook Desktop. The next course is how to create a print on demand face mask store with Wix. Learn how to create custom print on demand face masks and sell them in your own online shop using Wix and spreadsheet. The rating of this course is 4.5 and already 5,941 students enrolled for that course. And in that course you will learn how to create custom face masks, how to create face mask designs, how to create their own online store, where to find awesome designs. This course is completely free, only one day left at this price, and this course includes 1.5 hours on demand video, one download resource, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then you get certificate of that course, and the coupon code of that course is May Give Away 2021. The coupon code and course link is given into the description. The next course is Relevant Cost Managerial Accounting Decision and Scenarios. Common managerial accounting decisions analyzed using relevant cost methods that can apply to all large decisions. The rating of this course is 4.6 and already 33,546 students enrolled for that course. And in that course you will learn managerial accounting concept, how to apply relevant cost to make or buy decision, how to apply relevant cost to make a decision to eliminate a division or not, how to apply relevant cost to accept a special offer or not. This course is also completely free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 6.5 hours on demand video, 32 downloaded resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is Python Programming Tutorial for Absolute Beginner. Python Programming Tutorial is your ultimate guide to master Python programming from absolute beginner to developing app. The rating of this course is 3.9 and already 50,000 students enrolled for that course. In that course you will learn build a complete understanding of Python, build a solid foundation of the Python programming, work with Python conditional statement, function sequence and loops, learn to use Python 3 professionally, learn to use object-oriented program with classes, be able to develop basic desktop application and website using Python. This course is also completely free, only one day left at this price, and this course includes 3 hours on demand video, 11 articles, 2 practice tests, access on mobile and TV. And at the end you get certificate of that course, and the coupon code is free e-learning. The next course is QuickBooks Pro Desktop Bookkeeping Business Easy Way. QuickBooks Pro Desktop 2019 Bookkeeping Business Plan and Example, walking through bookkeeping engagement and data entry. The rating of this course is 4.3 and already 12,384 students enrolled for that course. In this course you will learn how to outline a simple bookkeeping system for a small business using QuickBooks Pro Desktop 2019 or prior years, how to set up a simple bookkeeping company file in QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2019 or prior year and store it on computer. This course is also free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 50 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At then you get certificate of that course. Guys, the remaining courses is uploaded on our blog. The link of blog is given into the description. Please check the link and apply all the courses as soon as possible, because the courses are maybe expired in within 1 or 2 days. So enroll for that all courses as early as possible. Thank you.